guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing my second update for my project pan. So I didn't update you guys for February because once I was finally able to get around to filming my second update, March was like halfway over, maybe a little bit more. So I thought I would just round up February and March together. So here we are. I have some progress to share with you guys. So first, let me start with some things that I am getting rid of. One I'm getting rid of and one's a substitution. So I am getting rid of the ColourPop Lippy Stick in Birdie. This is just way too pink for my liking. I think I can pass this on to somebody else, but I'm just really not feeling the color. So I'm not going to force myself to use it up and be miserable. Second and last thing is this Too Faced palette. So I like the colors, but I'm finding I just can't get a lot of use out of this with the looks that I'm wanting to do. So I'm going to pass this on. I think maybe my sister could get some really good use out of this. So replacing that is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Self-Made palette. This is such a pretty palette, but they don't make it anymore. So my mission is to use a good amount of this up. I don't think I'll be able to use up the purple and these really dark colors, and maybe not that one, but we've got some beautiful shades here that I'm so excited to use and I've already been using. So there's that. Okay, on to the products that I used up a lot of. So like I said before, I'm not going to go through all of the products that I have because I have a big bin here that I first shared with you when we first started this series. I'm just going to share what I've made progress on. So first on top is the Urban Decay Vice palette. This, I don't understand how I haven't hit pan on at least this one. This one I've used up a lot. This one I've used up a lot. So, and this I've been using a lot. So I'm making a lot of progress. Let me just bring my laptop around. So I started out with, what is that, 16 grams of product. And now I'm down to 13 grams. So I've been making some progress on that. Another eyeshadow is the Balm Nude Dude eyeshadow in the color Flirty. Love this. It is so pretty. So I started with 6 grams and now I'm down to 4. Okay, concealer. So I have the Collection concealer. This is just one of them, but this is the one I've been focusing on. You can tell because I ripped half of the label off so I know which one it is. This was at 0.5 ounces at the beginning and now it's at 0.4 ounces. Slow but steady. What else do we have in here? Blush. This is the Milani Powder Blush in Romantic Rose. So I don't know if you can see, but I have made some progress. I have completely worn down the top portion of the rose. So it's getting pretty flat, if you can see that. So I started with 17 grams and now I'm at 12 grams. Urban Decay Sin Highlighter. I have put a pretty decent dent in this. You can't really tell. If you were looking at it right here, you could totally see it, but it's getting blown out by the lights. This I have, they started with 6.5 grams and now I'm at 5.6 grams. So I'm making my way through and I really like this highlighter. It's great. Okay, so we have perfumes. Stella McCartney Stella Perfume Rollerball is completely done, which is so great. It's my first product that I completely finished. We have the Clean Skin perfume. First started right up here and now we are down to here. So I think maybe one more month's use and that will be done. Then we have the Toca Maya Rollerball. We started up here and now we're down there. I don't know if you can see that. The thing is, I really love to use this perfume. The rollerball doesn't deposit that much product. I've never had that problem with a rollerball before, but like I just dropped it. I really gotta dig at my skin to get some of it out, so it's a little bit harder to use. And then I have the Model Co. Illusion Lip Liner. I really like this. It's a great nude. And let's see, I am a fourth the way done, and then my e.l.f. lip liner, which is actually my work bag downstairs, I'm a fourth the way done with that, and they both started out as full products. So, making progress on those. Now I'm going to go through my computer, and we're going to go through the products like skincare and stuff like that. So I just have a couple that I have noted that I've made progress. So sheet masks, I've started out with 50, now I'm at 47, which for 2 months, that's a really low number. I should have gotten more done, but still progress. Face cleansers, I started out with 13 different ones, and now I'm at 10. For lip balms, I started out with 13, now I'm at 12. For moisturizers, I started out with 16 and now I'm at 15, so just a little bit. Oils, I started out with 11 and now I'm at 9. With serums, I started out with 10 and now I'm at 9. Eye creams, I started with 6 and now I'm at 4. So for hand lotions, I started out with 10 and now I'm at 8. For body lotion, I started out with 9 and now I'm at 7. For body scrubs, I started at 4 and now I have 1 left, which is almost done. So that's going to be like a series that's completely done, and I can go buy a new body scrub, which will be exciting. And then for candles, I started out with 36 and now I'm at 31. So I have been making progress on stuff. I think in April, I'm really going to be more diligent about things in my bathroom, like all that skincare I just went through with you. I can definitely do a lot more sheet masks in a month than 3. So yeah, I'm excited to update you guys in May for everything that I used up this month in April. So if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe so you can stick around and be notified when I put up my next Project Pan update. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.